Day 24, the magic wand. Have you ever wished you had a magic wand so that you could just wave your hand and help the people you love? Well, today's magical practice will show you how you can use life's real magic wand to help others. When you fervently want to help other person, you have immense power. But when you direct that power with gratitude, you really do have a magic wand that can help the people you care about. Energy flows where your attention goes, and so when you direct the energy of gratitude toward another person's needs, that's where the energy goes. This is the very reason why Jesus says thank you before he performed a miracle. Gratitude is invisible but real force of energy, and coupled with the energy of your desire is just like having a magic wand. People who wait for a magic wand fail to see that they are the magic wand. If you have a family member, friend, or anyone you care about who is lacking physical health, in financial trouble, unhappy their work, stressed, suffering because a relationship has ended, lost confidence in him or herself, suffering from mental problems, or feeling down about their life, you can use the invisible force of gratitude to help them with their health, wealth, and happiness. To wave your magic wand for another's health, imagine that the person's health has been fully restored and say the magic words, "Thank you," in heartfelt celebrations of receiving the news that he and she is full of health again. You could imagine the persons calling you to give you the news, or imagine them telling you in person and really see and feel your reaction. When you feel as grateful now as you would when you heard the news that the person's health had been fully restored, it will guarantee that the gratitude you feel is as sincere and as powerful as it can be. To wave your magic wand to help someone you love with their wealth, follow the same magical practice and be as grateful as if they had the wealth they needed right now. Imagine their wealth has been fully restored, it is done, and you are saying the magic words, "Thank you," because you have just received the amazing news. If a person you know is going through a tough time but you don't know what specifically they need, or if they need help in more than one area, then you can follow the same magical practice and wave your magic wand by giving thanks for their happiness or for their health, wealth, and happiness together. Today, choose 3 people you care about who are currently in need of health, wealth, or happiness, or all 3. Get a photograph of each person if you have one, and keep the photograph in front of you while doing this practice. Take the first person, hold the photograph in your hand, then close your eyes and for 1 minute visualize yourself receiving the news that the person has been fully restored with whatever they need. It is much easier to visualize yourself receiving the news than it is to visualize. For example, an ill person healthy again, or a depressed person happy again, or a financially stressed person abundant again. And when you feel more excitement and gratitude if you involve yourself in your visualization. Open your eyes and with the photograph still in your hand, say the magic words, "Thank you," slowly 3 times for the dead person's health, wealth, or happiness, or whatever combination they need. Thank you, thank you, thank you for name, health, wealth, or happiness. As you finish with one person, move to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you have finished the magic wand practice by sending health, wealth, or happiness to all 3 people. You can also use this powerful practice when you are walking down the street or going about your day, or you come across someone who is obviously lacking happiness, health, or wealth. Imagine you have a magic wand and in your mind, wave it by giving heartfelt thanks for their health, wealth, and happiness, and know that you have set a real force of energy into motion. Using gratitude to help someone else with his or her health, wealth, and happiness is the single greatest act of gratitude you can perform. And one of the magical things about it is that the health, wealth, and happiness you fervently wish for others, you also bring to yourself. Magic practice number 24, the magic wand. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful. Reread your list and at the end of each blessing say thank you, thank you, thank you and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Second, choose 3 people you are care about and who would like to help with more health, wealth, happiness or all 3. Third, if you have them, collect a photograph of each of the 3 people and keep it in front of you while doing the magic wand practice. Fourth, take the person at a time and hold their photograph in your hand. Close your eyes and for 1 minute visualize the person's health, wealth or happiness has been fully restored and you are receiving the news. Fifth, open your eyes and with the photograph still in your hand, say the magic word slowly. Thank you, thank you, thank you for name, health, wealth or happiness. Sixth, as you finish with one person, move to the next person and follow the same 2 steps until you have finished the magic wand practice for all 3 people. Seventh, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.